Wala, kulang pa rin yung sasakyan natin. Dapat U-Haul. Sa border.
May scanner naman sila.
Kaya?
I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys, ay papunta na po kami ng North Dakota. So for today, North Dakota yung aming destination, and then for tomorrow from North Dakota going to Canada naman yung mangyayari. So we're so excited na magagawa namin tong road trip na to, and sana along the way may mga makikita din kaming mga sceneries. Actually yung ruta namin pupunta ngayon medyo boring siya kasi dapat daw ang ruta namin is Minnesota. Ito kasi ginamit namin South Dakota and then North Dakota. Hindi kami magmi-Minnesota kasi mapapalayo kami. This is the shortest na route for us. Magmi-Minnesota kami pag uwi namin, if ever. Depende kung maganda yung weather or okay yung oras namin, ganun. Pero kung hindi, ganito pa rin. Kasi balak din naman namin mag-Minnesota ngayong summer. So, yun guys. Excited na kami. Abangan nyo guys yung mga susunod na vlog.
I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much. 'Cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. That galaxies won't make you change your heart. Won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you.
Slowly.
So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. Deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So I drink of my coffee harder iced to get me through another lonely
No, hindi ko dadamihan yung akin. Scam tong mustard na to ah. Hindi yung parang kinakain natin sa ospital. Harap?
Change pilot.
Turn right to merge onto I-29 North.
Mukhang magsisisi ka na ata ah.
Drop your worries, pick up on this fine stream of love we're riding on. Don't believe
Masyadong mabilis ang speed limit nila dito. Medyo nakakakaba. Kasi naka-80 miles na nga ako. More than 80 pa ata sila. Lumilipad yung mga sasakyan dito. Tapos ang dami-dami pang truck. Ganon. Kaya natin to. Kakayanin. Nakakrus ako. Mahirap na.
Whatever without you, I may be too late to say that I was so wrong. What are you thinking of? Without you, I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong.
malapit na kaming North Dakota. Mga ilang tumbling na lang. Stretching lang kami at saka nagpagas. Ay, na oras na kami nagbibiyahe. Pero, ang sikreto, compression socks is the key. Feeling nagjo-duty eh. Pero in fairness, hindi masakit yung legs ko. Unlike kapag ano lang. Iwas DVT tayo. Mahirap na. Baka pagdating ng Canada, magkaroon ng DVT, magka-PE. Better to be safe. Ano ba, Catherine?
Drag us down with breeze, breeze down this highway. We got more inside us, and this life isn't done. We got it, it's a breeze. Windows down, we're flying by, and this fresh air smells like paradise. And we got our destination right, we're all clear. Come on, just sing with me now, don't be shy. We got great tunes on and turned up high, and our hearts stocked full with all supplies we could need. Come on and breeze, breeze down this highway.
Hey guys! So finally, after 10 or 11 hours of drive, andito na kami. Hindi naman 11 hours. Parang 10 hours of drive lang ata talaga. From Iowa, nandito na kami sa North Dakota. And this part is Minot, ng pangalan ng town dito, ng city. And this is only 1 hour and 40 minutes away from the border. So dito na kami nag-stop. Kasi guys, nung pinubook ko to, nung naghahanap kami, kaya pala naman pala namin i-drive hanggang makalagpas na kami ng border. Kaya nga lang, iniisip ko lang magagabihan na tayo. Syempre galing pa akong night shift. Baka sabi ko kasi nun, baka malate na kami makaalis ng bahay. Pero sakto lang din naman pala. Medyo na-late lang kami ng konti sa pag-alis. Tapos naiwan ko yung coat ko na isa. So, lahat ng gamit namin guys, luggage namin, nandun sa likod ng truck. Tapos, naglagay lang ako na yung carry-on luggage para sa mga damit namin dito sa hotel, tsaka yung damit namin for tomorrow. Naiwan ko yung luggage ko guys. Naiwan ko yung jacket ko. Kaya, napakuha tuloy kami ng ibang gamit sa likod ng truck. Kaya na naman si Mag. Kasi nakasil na yun eh. Inayos na niya eh. Para walang mabasa. So yun. Kinuha namin para may coat ako. So, isa na lang yung coat ko. So, hindi ko alam. Baka pagdating namin ng Canada, bili na lang ako ng isang coat pa. And, ang papainit na ako ngayon ng food namin kasi nagluto ako ngayon ng chicken adobo. So, tsaka kanin. Kasi sabi ni Mac, gusto ko talaga ng kanin after. So, nagluto ako ng baon namin. Actually, madami namang kainan dito. May Applebee's, may McDo. Pero, syempre, hindi naman gaya sa atin na may kanin. So, yun. May, dala kaming kanin. Tapos, may dala kaming mga food. But anyway, guys, magpapahinga lang kami ha. Update na lang ulit namin kayo later.
Playing all my favorite chords, singing you my favorite verse. You'll always be my favorite choice. Your name is on my favorite word.
Good morning, everyone! Gumala lang kami dito sa Scandinavian house and now we are heading to the border. Sana walang maging problema. So, dediretsuhin na namin to ng Canada unless may mahanap na naman ako na gagalaan on the way. So, we'll see!
Is this what it means to have growing pains? Never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks, yeah. You're gonna have to hurt sometimes. So painful you can barely survive. Tired from the sleep
21 miles. Continue straight on.
Stop sa kami doon.
Just waiting by your phone and hopes he takes back all the things.
I'm sorry? No. I was here in November when I left Canada. No, I visited last year. Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You too. Tapos na guys, yun lang. Kala ko naman may check pa sila na mga gamit dito sa sasakyan.
Kasi may scanner doon.
Ayan na guys, Canada na kami! We passed the border. Wala lang. Mag-ano lang siya. Anong tinanong lang yun? Very easy lang. Kailan daw yung balik namin.
Yung pinapractice ko kanina.
Tapos, when was the last time that you were here? Sabi niya ganun. I was here last year. Oh, you used to live here? Sabi, hindi. Nag-visit lang. Saskatchewan! Welcome to Saskatchewan! Naghahanap kami ng restroom. Wala na. Nga pala guys, kapag magdadrive pala kayo, be sure na to change your units sa car ng from mile to kilometer or from US to your metric na measurements. Kasi dito sa Canada ay kilometer na sila, unlike sa US na miles. So, yun, 100 kilometers lang yung maximum nila dito, which is a little bit slower than sa US. Kasi kahapon, nag-go almost 130 kilometers an hour kami nung nasa North Dakota kami kasi 80 miles yung kanilang maximum doon. Pero dito, 100 lang yung ano nila, maximum nila dito. Diyos ko naman.
NLEX.
NLEX lang. NLEX lang. Wala namang sasakyan. Pero yun nga lang, medyo slushy yung road. So, sinabi na careful lang daw sa pagdadrive.
Round 3.
사랑한다고 말해줬다면 믿어줄 수 있겠니? 넌 오직 상처만 받고 있었지. 미안해 baby, 네가 없는 현실 너무나도 비참해. There's no one 너 같은, 너만 고통받고 있는 게 아니야. 나도 아파야 baby. E-I-O-U means I love you and nothing else will do. Baby, I owe you, oh yes I do, an explanation baby, yeah. 질투한다고 바뀌지 않아 우리의 떠나간 사람. 너는 날 사랑해준 적 있었니? 말해줘 baby. 네가 없더라도 난 잘 살고 있다고 라고 말하지만 사실 널 못 잊어. 벌써 2년 전에 이별이었지만 여전히 아파 baby. E-I-O-U means I love you and nothing else will do. Baby, I owe you, oh yes I do, an explanation baby. Oh, I know you don't get what I'm saying, cause I'm speaking a different language, but I just want you to hear it anyway. So,
Sige. Grabe, oh. Doon mahal kaya sa Sa ilalim naman. Ayan na yan. Yun, dun, no?
Asan?
Yan, mga yan, oh. Kasi sumasabit sa daan, eh. Yan yung mga nakuha natin dun sa ano kanina. Dun sa kalsada na hindi nalilinisan.
Feels like I've been gone for so long, for so long, for so long. Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far, feels so far away, away.
Hi! Hi, everyone!
This is literally seen someone. I said, oh, they're 2 minutes away. And he said, what? Let me see.
Wow, amazing.
We're so excited to see you. Where's my pasalubong?
Her pasalubong?
Just give the pasalubong and then let's go home.
How
Let's
about
go back to
pasalubong?
America. Hey everyone! We are here now. Yeah. And we just finished eating our dinner.
Yeah,
And now she's opening the pasalubong because when we got here,
I was like, where's my pasalubong? Where's my pasalubong? Hi, Tita, I love you. And I'm glad you're here now. But where's my pasalubong? I want
what's the
my
meaning of pasalubong though?
It means like something that you bring
Okay.
for someone.
So show them what you got.
First
You happy?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Thank you, Tita.
Uh-huh. Wow, very thankful ah. Yan ang gusto ko sa ano eh. Sa nareregaluhan eh.
And then there's the pink version. Which
Why did we buy a lot?
you should have just bought like one. I didn't expect you to buy like the whole thing. I thought you were buying like 2 or 1.
Well, it's just $5.
All of them together?
No, $5 each. So this is $5 already.
We can buy this at Dollarama for cheaper.
Really?
Like $3 there.
I didn't know. I don't think those are $5.
She got me like 2 giant buckets of slime, which I'm gonna try the purple one first.
Yeah, I know. The purple is your favorite.
A spoon today, and then he made me like get like the thing, and then like he made me-
Dampalaya?
yeah, and then he said get out the bones. I said okay, and then I did
The
this.
bones or the seeds?
He said get out the bones.
The seeds.
He said bones. It's so jelly and cold. It's so shiny though.
Yeah, it has a lot of ano.
I told my friends about you and they're like, your aunt is really cool. I said, yeah, but she can sometimes be mean.
Am I?
Well,
Tell them. Tell the people who are watching if I'm mean or not.
she's sometimes mean. Whenever
In what way?
like when you were still in America and I called you, you're like, well, you smell bad.
Who?
Me, you like you keep like before we recorded the video, you said, oh my gosh, your head smells like a fish.
Yeah, because the whole house smells like a fish. Oh, this one is so nice.
I know, it's so soft too.
But is this supposed to be like this? I mean, the texture of it?
No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's like ripping apart too much.
Yeah, I think because it's too cold. It should be warm.
Next one, because I think it's the same as, like, the blue one's the same, right? So we're gonna open this one now.
Ice cream.
It looks like oh, it's a smoothie!
It is. It's so nice.
And it has like a grape scent. We
Does
have
it
grapes
have?
in the fridge, by the way.
Nagpupuyat ka na naman. You will have class in the morning.
Yeah, I have my spelling test tomorrow. Oh, it's foam beads and stuff.
Oh, that's nice. I didn't know that it has something like that.
Whee! In Canada, we only have the dollar store. We don't have Five Below.
Really?
Wait, let me feel it from here. Wait, there's something underneath. It, like, no,
It's
like
not
the
foam.
pokes. The pokes are really good.
Just like the one that you see on YouTube, right? Dapat kasi wait for it to get warm. Kasi syempre, ang lamig kaya niyan sa labas ng tananig. That's probably why the texture is not that good.
Yeah, like I know some store-bought signs are like this, but like most of them are like really good though. Oh, it's so cold. I want to put the beads in. Bye, guys.
Thank you everyone for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoyed our
Later
road
we're
trip.
gonna do karaoke.
No, it's too late already.
No, I have karaoke set up.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you buy one from the Philippines?
No. There's like Mama bought me like a remote for the TV, and then I put in like karaoke like songs and stuff.
Oh, okay. All right.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. We appreciate you guys so much. And for our shout out today, so for Christmas Holland Asian food is Wacky Stolen, Ronica Berto, Renz Mia, Ibrahim Hailio, Alia Mariano, Frederick Fernandez. Next is Costco Grocery Shopping. Michael Rocky, Sandra, Carla May, Paulo, Rosemary Sumulong.
Sumulong.
Oh,
Sumulong?
Sumulong. Wacky Stolen, Monica Berto, Ibrahim Halil. Next video, because apparently my inches aren't good enough. Next video is decorating and organizing our living area. Living room. You know what? I'm going to erase that. I'm going to fix that. Rico Montiered, the CRN, Wacky Stolen, Ronica Berto, Ibrahim Halil. Wow, you guys are on a super fans. You guys are like in every shout out. Next shout out is preparing for Christmas, and the shout out goes to Wacky Stolen, Michelle H, GC Odero, Ibrahim Halil, Princess Mia, Frederick Fernandez, Ronica Berto, and again Princess Mia. Guys, I just added that. Please subscribe and like if you haven't yet. If you joined this video, please like. Go follow her socials, which is JoyOfMia, both Facebook and Instagram. Bye guys. Bloopers.
Wala nang bloopers.
Yes, bloopers. I'm sorry, I just Okay, I'm good. Cut that out. Put that in bloopers. Next video is decorating and organizing our living room. Wait.